Nagabenta ke khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio. Ha ubnai June ne July arhajar arpsau on pin ipat ba no ya ka film linkar habiju cinema hall. Kublei pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission MHRC kalakot hajir yu Superintendent of Police SP ka East Khasi Hills Ritu Raj Ravi halor ka jung prashang ban pin kit jubori ka long kami basha jung Sha hospital. Karkum ka kerwo na secretary ka MHRC ka commission kalapanru ya ka kaipot ka babnya na ka Director General of Police DGP halor kane ka jinja. Kadeha kamit kandai tri ujil diu USP ka East Khasi Hills ulalit siya ka jaka basyong siya jingit ka long kami na umdan kong bentas im bat persyang ban pinkit jubor ya ka siya hospital. Ha kani ka jinja kalami ka jingya tainya ka bajur bat kinung kersyan ka kong bentas. Ka commission kalabatha ya uniu he pulit ke district bu unwan mi daladi khmat ka commission ha ka arpau terik ujeliu. Kumban syukdo ka khnam kalalit ujor syaka MHRC halor kani ka jingja persya ya USP ka East Khasi Hills.
Just check for medical. This is criminal here. I'm from the media. Susan, you know this. See, at least medical doctor, medical should be here. Just send the medical officer here. No one here. Please don't force. No, nothing by nothing. Just medical. No. Send the doctor here also. Please. You just go for medical and come back. See, let me narrate. She doesn't want to go. Let me, as a media person, let me narrate one story. There was a high-profile case here who went on a hunger strike. You all sent a doctor. That is Mr. Arden Basoymat. You all send a doctor, sir. So, no. I will argue with you. I will go to any extent and argue with you. You all send a doctor here, and they went on for a medical checkup. And just because he's an ordinary person, so sir, you'll have to send a doctor, sir. You'll have to send a doctor, sir. They have a mobile ambulance. They have everything.
You also not by force. It's not by force, huh? We also human.
She doesn't want to by force.
We are not your worker.
It's not by force. That means you understand? They'll handle a female. Yes, of course we have. Well, it's not my first. No, sir, please, sir. You arrest. Don't do by force, officer, sir. Please, don't do by force. Don't do by force. He doesn't want to show willingly. Then why you are taking by force? Nothing. Just for medical error, please. No. Better you send your medical. It's better to send here, sir. Your doctor and all is better to send here. Sir. Clear this place, sir. Sir, it's better to call your doctor to send here, She's a woman.
This is Dana. This is not. There's no violence. Anything. This is Dana.
Without fighting. Please show me a black and white order.
Even she.
Please show me a black and white order from the government. Please show me a black and white order. You can't just come here without a black and white order.
Even she also.
Please, we need a black and white order.
Don't let anyone touch her. Don't let any police force a man touch her.
Recently, I had a one-to-one interaction with the DGP. I have been telling her that the public wants to cooperate with the police, but this is not the way.
This is Dana.
This will go to the DGP. I am going to forward this video to the DGP.
You have seen this right here.
I cannot tolerate this. Even though if I have to be a journalist,
In front of you, there is right here.
I can turn to be a social activist.
In front of you, there is right here. She doesn't want to. You understand? Don't force her. Don't force her. Send your. Send only your brother. Yeah, you are
Don't force.
There is right in here. So in front of you, sir. Please leave the right in here.
Say it here.
Don't push anyone. Don't touch him. Don't push anyone.
Sir, don't touch him.
Don't
Don't take
push
it.
anyone.
Talk, then say it. Sir, if you want to say anything, we can understand what you want to say. We all understand what you want to say.
Just without forcing, no?
If you want to say anything, say it.
Just want to talk.
No, you can send the message to the government. You can send the message to the government. She won't go to hospital.
I'm not for government.
Yeah.
I'm with you. Come.
No.
You